Okay, so hopefully I'll be building a series circuit and then a parallel circuit today. So I'm gonna need some wires. Just put a battery and then another wire here. This, and then this here. Simple one. And another wire. The last wire should go from here, from the battery to the wire. Okay, so we got a really bright light bulb in a small, simple circuit. So I'm gonna split this and I'm gonna add another light bulb like this. Okay, so I'll add another wire too. Okay, so it's not as bright as when I just had one light bulb on the circuit, and you could tell. And this is on the series circuit. So if I split it and if I put another light bulb, definitely not as bright as my first circuit, and that's probably because the charge has to flow through. Now it has to flow through all three filaments of the light bulbs, which I think creates more resistance. Okay, so I think if we add another battery, then we can get it brighter, maybe. Add one there and one there. And I really can't tell if that's actually brighter or not, so I'll add another one to see. Put this here. Actually, no. Okay, so we'll add this here, and we'll add a wire here, and we'll add another battery, and connect this. And that is definitely brighter. So, it was getting dimmer as I added more light bulbs because I think it was creating more resistance, but I think adding the batteries added more voltage to the circuit and it made them brighter. Okay, so that's it for my series circuits. Just reset it. Okay, so I'll try and build a parallel circuit here. Probably look something like this. We'll start with one battery and wire. And I should stretch it out. Okay. Definitely another wire. Gotta connect it. And I'll put a light bulb here. Rather have it the other way, but okay. This. Okay. And what if I added another one? So that circuit works so far. So I'm gonna add more wires right here. So far the bulb is pretty bright. Move that over here. Okay, so Siri, we have a parallel circuit here, like small parallel circuit, and even with just one battery, both of the light bulbs are pretty bright. And even though it has to go through twice the amount of resistance, well, it doesn't, because I think the voltage remains the same throughout the circuit, and um, I really don't know, but um, I'm guessing amps, the amps amplitude there, the amps would be different in the two different parts of the circuits. Like it would drop off to the resistance in the light bulbs, but the voltage remains the same throughout the circuit. Now I'll add a third light bulb to see if that is true, and if what I think will happen will be the same thing and the light bulb will be as bright as the other ones. So yep, all three light bulbs are lit up exactly the same, all at the same brightness. So I guess I could try and put a resistor. Now they're really dim, so I'm guessing the resistance is too high, and um, amps drops too low to keep the, well, they're all at the same dimness, so the voltage must still be the same, even though it's just not a lot, and the amps would be lower due to the resistance. So I'll get rid of that actually. Back to the big bright one. And let's see, what else can we do? Try tools. So measuring volts. So 9 volts. 9 volts is the battery, I'm assuming, and from here to here, 9 volts. 9 volts. 9 volts. 9 volts. So I was right that the voltage does remain the same throughout the circuit. And let's see here, get rid of that. Amps. Let's see. How would I set that up? Well, I'm guessing that each part of the circuit would have uh, the amps would measure different, I guess. So if I split it here, kind of like move this out here and put the amps in between. Need to stretch it, kind of. I actually don't know how to use this one. Alright, 0.9. So I'll remove that and put this one back to normal. And I think the reading on it was like 0.9 or something. Oh, what happened to my circuit? Split. What is happening? Okay, that should go here and that should go here. What the heck? The other two are still on. So at least that we know is different from a series circuit, because if it's a series circuit, if one were to go out, then all the electricity would stop flowing, and they would all go out. So I guess your house would have to be wired like this in a series circuit, otherwise when one thing went out, everything else would go out. What the heck? whatever reason, this is not working anymore. So I'll just get rid of it. You could still have the circuit with the two. Just remove this and also remove this. And we still have the circuit. Let's see, what was I still gonna do? And meter. So split that, kind of move this out here. The heck? Why are the lights still on? I don't even know what's going on anymore. Is it frozen? Something? I'll just reset it. Try it again. Okay. Battery. Here. Here. I'll just make a small one to try and keep it from messing up again. That's not where I wanted you. Actually. Okay. Connect that one there. This one can go up here. Okay, stretch this out to here, and this will connect here. Something's wrong because none of it's flowing. Well, I have no idea what's going on, so I guess that's the end of my screencast.